Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC President Govindas Konthausam resigned from his post today. At least 8 Congress MLAs will join the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP today, sources said. The development comes months ahead of the Manipur Assembly polls likely to be held in early part of 2022, where Chief Minister Biren Singh will fight to retain power. The 10-day COVID curfew imposed by the Manipur government entered its third day today. The total curfew has been enforced to curb the COVID-19 virus from July 18. To make sure the rules are being followed appropriately, security personnel are deployed at various locations. The state government has imposed a curfew to break the chain of transmission amid the ever-surging cases of COVID-19 infections, Chief Minister N. Biren said. Most people prefer to stay indoors. Manipur is reeling under COVID pandemic. The state reported 774 fresh coronavirus cases and 16 deaths yesterday. The positivity rate was 17.83%, which was the second highest single-day spike of the current month. Police have been actively patrolling for successful enforcement of the curfew. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today conveyed his warm greetings to the people of Manipur on the joyous occasion of Eid al-Juha. Eid al-Juha, the festival of sacrifice, falls on the Islamic month of Dhul Hijjah, and it's celebrated with traditional fervor and gaiety across the world. The festival marks the end of Hajj and commemorates the fate of Prophet Ibrahim and his devotion to Allah, Biren said in his message. In view of the prevailing situation arising out of the COVID-19 pandemic in the state, Biren also appealed to the Muslim brethren to restrict the celebration by performing ritual and prayer within the confines of their homes and by observing the COVID-appropriate behavior. On behalf of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC, K. Meghachandra extended greetings to the people of Manipur, particularly the Muslim community, on Eid al-Juha. The auspicious celebration of Eid al-Juha signifies the spirit of devotion to Almighty and celebration of brotherhood through helping and sharing for humanity, Meghachandra said in the message. The opposition Naga People's Front NPF, which is the single largest party with 25 MLAs in Nagaland, decided to join the Nephew Rio-led People's Democratic Alliance PDA government. The decision of the NPF comes a day after the Nagaland Pradesh Congress Committee asked all the 60 legislators of the Nagaland Assembly to resign to pave the way for Naga political solution on July 18. According to sources, the NPF took the decision at a meeting in Dimapur yesterday. Once the NPF formally joins the ruling coalition comprising the Nationalist Democratic Progressive Party NDPP, BJP and an independent, Nagaland will witness another opposition-less government. In May 2015, the then NPF-led Democratic Alliance of Nagaland government, headed by former Chief Minister T.R. Jelyang, now opposition leader in the State Assembly, became opposition-less after all the 8 Congress MLAs joined the ruling coalition.